Hi there, this is Mike, one of our product knowledge experts here at Leap. Today we're going to talk about the basics of user management. What we're going to cover is creating a new user, changing user types, and customizing standard user permissions. Let's begin by creating a new user. To create a new user, click on your profile icon, click Settings from the drop-down menu, click Company Settings from the Settings menu, then click on Users from the Company Settings submenu. You'll want to click the Add New User button in the upper right-hand corner. Then you're going to type in the new user's email address. Since the user's email address is also used as a login username, it should be unique to this user only. Press Tab or click outside the email field. Leap will validate the email address and confirm a unique email address is being used. Once confirmed, you'll see a check mark and you can click the Add button. A window will appear prompting you to provide additional information about the new user's profile. Complete all the required fields. If you wish to share the password you created for this user, select Share Details over email, then click Save. There you have it. You now have a new account created for John Doe. Now let's take a look at user types. A user type defines a class of users, such as an owner, administrator, or standard user. Owners and admins have a fixed set of privileges associated with their role. However, you can control the permissions of standard users, giving you the freedom to select whether or not a user or group of users have access to certain features and functions. By organizing your users into appropriate user types, you can control what they can and can't do. By default, all new users, excluding the original owner, are created as standard users. To change a standard user to an admin, first, view your list of users, click the action menu icon next to the user you would like to edit, and from the action menu dropdown, select Set as Admin. Confirm that you want to change the user's role by clicking Yes. You have just converted and changed a standard user to an admin user. To convert an admin back to a standard user, you can view your list of users, click the action menu icon next to the user you would like to edit. From the action menu dropdown, select Set as Standard User. Confirm the user type change by selecting Yes. Now that you know how to create a user and change their user type, let's explore customizing user permissions. There are moments when you want to give some non-admin users access to features and functions that you don't necessarily want to give to your entire organization. To help with that, you can customize user permissions. To begin, you'll want to customize your user permissions for this typical standard user. You can update your permission settings for all standard users by clicking on your profile icon, visiting Settings from the drop-down menu, clicking Company Settings from the Settings menu, clicking User Permissions from the Company Settings submenu. From here, you can select or deselect any permissions as needed. When you're finished selecting permissions, click the Update For button. And from the drop-down menu, select whether you would like this change to apply to all users or new users only. Now, if you ever have a need for updating a specific standard user's permissions, you can edit the permissions for their user account only. To edit a specific standard user's permissions, view your list of users. Click the action menu icon next to the user you would like to edit. Select user permissions. Select or deselect any permissions as needed. And then click Save.